What we do here is go back, 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 back.
It's Adair with Tweak It Studio, and I'm here today working on this secretary desk. I won it in an auction this week, and I'm excited to get started on it. The plan is we are going to start with a charcoal gray chalk paint by Rainbow Chalk Paints. So the base of this will be in a dark gray, just to give it a more modern feel. And then we're going to throw some of this fun fabric, which is actually West Elm curtain, that I'm repurposing into fabric. So I'm excited to get started. And just as a heads up, I do a lot of custom refinishing. So if you have a piece that looks just like this at home, I'm your girl. Making some progress. This is my first coat of the charcoal gray. It'll dry much darker than this, and then once I do a second coat, it'll look really, really good. So far, I'm digging it. The inside, I'm still holding off on what color I do this because I'm gonna work on the dresser drawers first, and then I'll decide on the color. So until then, I will keep this closed, keep it covered up so no paint gets on it, and I'll take it from here. All right, so the next step in this is doing decoupage fabric on these dresser drawers. So I'm actually using my West Elm curtains that I love so much. And I'm gonna cut these up into little sections here and measure them up first and get the right sizing for each drawer because each drawer is a different size. And then I'm going to use some Mod Podge glue, which is like a decoupage glue. It's great for fabric. The purple label is meant for furniture. And I'm going to brush on the glue and simply just glue on the fabric to the front of the drawer. And then I'll slit a little hole, a little X on both of these so that I can cut away and the hardware will pop through. So let's have at it. So I just kind of put these dresser drawers in just so I can kind of get a feel of what the piece is looking like and how it's taking shape. This is the first coat of the gray, so tomorrow I'll do a second coat. And then this is just a really rough of the fabric here. It'll all be neatened up once the glue dries. All of the hardware will get neatly cut out of the fabric. So that'll all look much nicer, but this is just a kind of end of phase one of just me figuring out what do I want to do next. So yeah, we're making some progress. Hey guys, I am back here at the studio and I am working on phase 2 of the secretary desk. I have my drawers in front of me. I already trimmed them down nice and neat with the fabric. So now I'm just going to throw on the glue. Let's get started. All right, so I'm finishing up my third drawer with the glue. As it dries, I'll head over to the desk and work on the inside. Once it's dry though, I will head back over and I'll use my X-Acto knife and cut out the details along the hardware. Let's get going. So I just taped out this leather panel here on the desk portion, just to ensure it does not get any paint on it. What I'm going to do is I decided to go with the charcoal gray on this part and up through the sides, and then this section here, the shelving part, I'm going to do a black. And then I really thought it would be really fun to throw on a little bit of this fabric from the drawers that'll be below on the bottom parts of each little shelf here. So I thought that would tie it all together. And then of course, I'll probably do this in gold, just tie in with the hardware below that I'll do in gold. And then how cute is this drawer? I'm gonna put a little fabric in here too, just to tie it all together. So I'm gonna get started first with my gray and then I'll move on to black. I thought it would be really fun to add a little bit of upholstery tack around the leather portion. And then if it goes well, which of course it's going to go well, I might also add them on the outside just to tie it all together. Just finishing up the gold here on this little handle. I ended up adding the tacks to the drawer as well, so just ties it all together, which is super cute. So now I'm going to cut out this fabric into little squares that are going to get glued down here in these little sections. So yeah, let's get cutting. So this wraps up phase 2 of this secretary desk. Moving on to day 3. All right, y'all, so we are back on day 3 of the secretary desk tweak. Decided to go with Santorini Blue for the inside of the drawers by Wise Owl. Clearly I'm feeling myself there. I'm gonna cut out the fabric around the handles, get rid of the glue, and let's give it a test drive. Looking good. Adding some gold, give it a little pop. I decided to go with fabric all the way through the back of the shelving unit. I think it just ties together really nicely. And last but not least, I added the handle.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
That's a wrap on the secretary desk here at Tweak It Studio. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys head on over to our Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest for some more DIY inspiration. We'll see you there.